What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I will show you best free traffic sources to promote ClickBank products. I will show you top 5 free traffic sources that will help you to promote your ClickBank offer, ClickBank products for free, and you can make easily 100 per day or more if you can grow your traffic sources for a lifetime. But at first I want to say it's not any software, it's not any scammy task. I will show you the best of 5 free traffic sources that you have to grow day by day gradually. But if you want overnight success within 24 hours, within 7 days, then it's not possible because ClickBank products mainly depended on the traffic sources. If your traffic sources has been targeted, then you can make ClickBank sales, otherwise it's not possible. And for this reason you have to opt in the two ways: one is free traffic, another is paid traffic. But in this video I will show you the best top 5 free traffic sources, and you have to grow it day by day gradually. But if you want overnight result, then it's not possible. So at first I disclose this matter. Now I will show you everything in this video. Don't miss any part of this video. I will show everything that I personally use, and I will share all of my case studies in this video. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JBJu, and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. Now you see here best free traffic sources to promote ClickBank products, and it's one of the best ClickBank tutorial in 2020, and I will show you everything step by step in this video. But first thing is first, you have to, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. And you see here it's an educational YouTube channel and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, and I am uploading videos in the daily basis, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. If you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter. If you want to long run your affiliate marketing journey, online marketing journey, then this YouTube channel will help you a lot. Inside this YouTube channel you will get free traffic sources, ClickBank method, JBJu method, Warrior Plus method, CPA marketing, everything inside this YouTube channel. So guys, you never be frustrated, you never be disappointed subscribing my YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to be the first viewer all of my videos and all the new updates, new videos inside my YouTube channel. So guys, if you want to promote any digital products, any products in online, then you have to first grow your traffic sources. If you have traffic, then you can make sales. If you don't have traffic, then you never make any single sales, you never make any commission, you never make any profits. So focus on traffic. If you have traffic, you are the king. If you have don't traffic, you are nothing. So you have to focus on traffic and you have to grow your traffic day by day gradually, or you have to run paid campaigns, you have to run Google ads, YouTube ads for instant traffic. Okay, and without targeted traffic you never make a single sales from ClickBank, because most of the ClickBank product, most of the ClickBank offers based, some are physical, like a physical products such as beauty products, health and fitness, home and gardening, and some are digital products, but both are ought to buy. And for this reason you have to grow your targeted, your uh, valuable traffic for getting ClickBank sales. And in this video I will show you top 5 free traffic sources, and you don't get instant result, but if you can grow it once, you will get results for a lifetime. It's my guarantee. But if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification for my upcoming videos, and new updates. It's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. You see here, join this 6-figure number on business model. It's a newbie friendly educational training program, and you will get here. And if you want to get unlimited buyer traffic sources, then you can get this traffic sources. It's one of the best seller product in 2020. It's the product of Mr. Russell Brunson, number on online entrepreneur, and you can grab it, you can check it. Now, if you want to promote any ClickBank offer, any ClickBank products, then you have to follow all these 3 steps. At first, you have to join the ClickBank affiliate network. You see here the clickbank.com, the home page of ClickBank, and you can use the sign up here. Click this sign up and simply sign up here. Your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, your password. Term and condition, just join ClickBank, and you need 2 or 3 days to get approval from ClickBank. Okay, and if you don't have if you don't get ClickBank approval, then you can use digistore24.com as an alternative of ClickBank. Okay, so after getting approval, step number 2, you have to find the best offer or the best products to promote. And for this, visit this ClickBank marketplace, and you will get a lot of categories here. You see here a lot of categories. So you have to find out your targeted niche, and for this you have to choose your niche first. It may be health and fitness, make money online, beauty, health, home and gardening, insurance, any physical product. You see here a lot of categories here, and at first you have to select your targeted niche. Okay, after selecting your targeted niche, you have to go here, and if you choose cooking and food and wine, then go here. Then if you want to find out e-business and e-learning, then click here, and you will get all the products link here, and you can choose your targeted product, and you can promote any product for making ClickBank commission. Okay, now you see here, click the link promote to get your affiliate link. You see here, you can get your affiliate link like here. It's so much simple and so much easy, and it's the most easiest part of this video. Now you have to work for the traffic, and traffic is the key to online success. Okay, so step number 3, get evergreen traffic for free. Yes, all the 5 traffic sources are evergreen if you can grow it once, but you have to grow it day by day gradually, otherwise you don't get result instantly. If you want to get result instantly, then cut this video and go to your bed and sleep, because online marketing never possible in overnight. So you have to grow your traffic sources day by day gradually and in the right way. Any scammy task, any scammy ways never helps you to make ClickBank commission. Okay, so you have to grow your traffic sources day by day gradually in the right way. Now all the best 5 traffic sources here, but before this, subscribe my YouTube channel to get a lot of helpful content like this video, like any other videos. You can check it, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Now the traffic source number on in it's Instagram. After choosing your targeted niche, you can grow your Instagram profile day by day gradually. If you can grow your Instagram profile day by day gradually, then you can get results for a lifetime. Okay, so you see here, it's my Instagram profile, and after choosing your targeted niche, you have to post short videos or images in your targeted niche, and you can get results day by day. You see here, and I make minimum 2 or 3 posts per day, but don't make post at a time. Okay, make several gaps between the post and make the right hashtags. You can follow my Instagram, I am Raju Bhadra, and you can check all of my posts and you can get the best idea about Instagram. Okay, now traffic source number 2, it's Facebook. Facebook is one of the best social media platform, the number one social media platform, and if you can grow your Facebook profile, your Facebook group, your Facebook pages once, then you will get the result for a lifetime. If you want to see my Facebook profile, you see here, and I grow my Facebook page here. You see here, it's my make money related Facebook post. Then so Facebook is one of the best traffic if you can grow it on day by day gradually. But if you use any Facebook messenger bot, any Facebook sharing software, then it's not the right way. You have to walk in the right way. You have to follow the right way. Then for this the right way, you can grow your Facebook page, you can grow your Facebook group, or you can grow your Facebook profile day by day gradually. And if you can grow it day by day gradually, then you will get the best result. You see here, it's my Facebook page, and it's make money related Facebook page, and I try my best to share helpful content inside my Facebook page, and day by day it's growing for making traffic, for making commissions. Okay, now as traffic source number 3 is Google. Google means you have to build a website, and you have to rank your website in Google, and you will get unlimited free traffic from Google to your website. And if you can get traffic to your website, you will get a lot of traffic, unlimited traffic, evergreen traffic for a lifetime. You can easily promote your ClickBank offers inside your website. So you have to build a website and rank on Google, and Google will provide you unlimited traffic. You see here, it's my website, answer with it's my website, answer today. If you want to check it, then you can search it and go into my website and see all the posts, all the helping posts, all the make money related various method posts inside my YouTube, inside my website, and I generate traffic inside using my website, building my website. So you have to build a website and rank on website and get traffic your website for a unlimited traffic for a lifetime. But it's not possible in overnight. You have to post in the regular basis and try to make helpful posts, then your website will build, your website will rank very fast. Now traffic source number 4 It's YouTube, and YouTube is the second largest traffic platform at the present time. After Google search, you will get the biggest traffic inside YouTube, and inside YouTube you have to share helpful content. If you check my YouTube channel, then you see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, and within very short time I get a lot of subscribers, a lot of views inside my YouTube videos. I just start my YouTube journey very early, 4 or 5 months ago, and I get amazing results. If you check my YouTube channel, then you will see it. But your consistency is the key to get success in YouTube or website journey. You have to upload videos in the daily basis, or minimum 4 or 5 videos per week. If you check my YouTube channel, then you will see I make 5 videos per week, and the first stage, at the first 1 to 3 months, I make videos in the every day, and within these 5 or 6 months I make 163 videos inside my YouTube channel, and all the lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So you have to make YouTube channel, you have to make YouTube videos like this, and according to your niche. If you choose health and fitness, then you have to make health and fitness videos. You don't need to make your own videos, you can make other people's videos to your YouTube channel. After all, you have to create a YouTube channel and grow it day by day, gradually. Okay, now best traffic source number 5, and it's Quora. Quora is the largest question and answering website. A lot of people asked various questions inside Quora, and you have to answer those questions, and by this you can grow your traffic sources day by day. But at the first stage, when you make answer inside Quora, don't use any link. Okay, just work 1 to 3 months inside Quora without any link. Then day by day your profile will grow inside Quora, and you can use affiliate links into your answer or into your profile. But you can add affiliate link into your profile at the first stage, but don't use any link, any affiliate link inside your questions, then your account may be banned. Okay, so you have to or 2 months for free. 2 months you have to make 2 or 3 answer per day inside Quora. Then day by day your account will grow, and you can use in your affiliate link, and you will get a lot of traffic using this Quora, and it's 100% free and 100% easy. If you don't know any answer, then search in YouTube, make show us the 5 or 10 minutes video, get idea and make your answer. It's easy. But if you want to get result without doing anything with black magic, then it's not possible. You can get this type of sales page inside Warrior Plus Marketplace, but it's not possible. You have to do or for make money online. Okay, suppose you want to choose beauty related niche, then search beauty, then go here the questions, and you will get a lot of questions about here. Now if you search make money online, you see here make money online, and go here the questions, and you see here a lot of questions inside here. So go get the question idea, copy this question. If you don't have idea, then copy this question, search in YouTube, watch the video, get idea and make answer. It's so much simple. So guys, all those 5 traffic sources are here. If you can grow it on, then you will get a lifetime traffic sources. All those 5 traffic sources, it's not so much difficult, but you have to start it. If you think no, I have no time to grow my traffic sources, then you never make a single dollar from online. You have to grow your traffic if you want to make money online. And for this, all those 5 traffic sources, all those 5 best free traffic sources for generating traffic and making ClickBank sales. Okay, so guys, if this video help you, then like this video. If you have any question and queries, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and other people. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, online marketing, and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. You see here, I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of helpful content inside here. So you never be upset, you never be disappointed subscribing my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description and get it the unlimited free traffic sources here and the number on business model. It's a newbie friendly education and training program for anyone. If you are a newbie and you don't know from where you should start your online journey, then you can check it. So guys, all those 5 traffic sources are the best free traffic for getting unlimited traffic and make ClickBank commission. So guys, that's it, and subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell for getting latest videos, new videos and new updates. So guys, see you soon. God bless you. Bye.